Today we have a very special mission. I'm an online sales delivery man and we're going to visit this girl because her boss told me that she likes to do a lot of online shopping, but she has an OCD because all the people that touch these parcels and all that, she's a bit worried about it. So in her house, she's got a special sterilization zone, and that's what I want to go and check out. So let's go. Hi.
Hello.
Is that Miss Jessica?
Yeah, who is this?
Oh, I'm from JT Express and I have 2 parcels for you.
Where are you now?
Oh, I'm at your doorstep. Can you open the door?
Oh, sure.
Okay, thanks. Here's your parcel, miss.
Oh, thank you. Hey, YS, superstar visit. Oh my god.
Surprise!
Mission complete.
YS, what brings you here today?
Well, it's your boss lah. He says you like to buy all this online stuff, but because of your fear of viruses and bacteria, he says you have a very special sterilization zone. And of course, I must come and see lor.
I will show you later.
Yeah, but I also noticed, hey, that's a new one, right?
Yeah.
Good or not?
Amazing.
So like this, one of this enough lah for the whole room?
Not enough. We need more.
I think I remember the spec. Actually, it's enough, but you need more. Correct or not?
Let me show you.
Alright.
There's one in the living room.
Oh, that's a red one. Very nice. Very Chinese New Year. Oh.
Ang.
Good.
And then there's another one in my bedroom.
Really?
There's one here in my bedroom in white color.
Oh, that's very nice. It matches the decor.
Oh, we have 8 more colors.
Really?
I'm gonna show you more. Let's go. YS, let me show you my secret zone. Come.
Wow, that's a lot of stuff. You really like to shop, right?
Okay lah.
Okay, then you must tell me how this secret sterilization zone works.
Actually in this room, it's about 300 square feet. So you only need 1 unit to cover. But because I want all these parcels to be safe from germs, that's why I put 3 units to treat them. So within 3 hours, I can safely open them.
You can wait 3 hours to open, meh?
Maybe I should put 6 units.
Guys, just to recap, Medklinn is a surface and air sterilizer. It emits a lot of active oxygen, and it is this active oxygen that goes around and kills all the bacteria, viruses and germs that are in the air and also on the surface of any item that it touches. So this is a very practical way that Jessica has to sterilize everything that comes into a house so that it's safe to touch. And guys, normally I tell in my videos, guys, don't do this at home. But this is one instance where you can do this at home because you can set up your own little sterilization zone by having these machines there, and that will keep everything that comes into your house safe. So guys, we really have to thank Jessica for showing us her secret zone. Oops, secret sterilization zone. And from there, we have learned how we can actually make things that come in from outside safe to touch. But before I go on, there's one more thing I noticed, and can I ask you?
Sure.
Okay, so I noticed you have one in your kitchen also. So would you like to tell our viewers what that one is for?
I actually cook very often, so I realized there's a lot of food remnant smell. Therefore, Medklinn is very effective in getting rid of those food smell.
Really? Oh, guys, so Medklinn can get rid of food smells, all kinds of smells?
Yeah.
Hey, she has it in the kitchen. I should put one in my toilet. There's another benefit I would like to share with everybody, and this one I heard from Peter Tam himself. So guys, as you know, Peter Tam is the man who actually invented this machine. And as a child, he had sinus issues and he had difficulty breathing, you have running nose and all kinds of funny symptoms. And it was his life goal to find an answer, and the answer is in this machine which he developed. And now he doesn't have that issue anymore. So here's another pointer for you. If you have such issues, this machine is a must. So Jessica, nowadays I think people are very concerned about the environment, and one of the biggest things that people are very worried about is water. Yeah, so you spend thousands of ringgit buying a water filter, then you spend hundreds of ringgit every year to service it. So that's water, and that's a very important part of our lives. But the other thing that we also concerned about is the air we breathe. And really there's not much we can do about the air we breathe, right? But here is something for you to consider. You can at least try to modify the immediate vicinity of where you are in. So in the home, you can have 1, 2, 3. She's got about 10. And at least in the confined space of your home, it is sterilized, and that makes it safe. But here's another thing you can do. So when I go for meetings or I go for mama sessions with my friends and fans, well, you carry this along. Or even when you are traveling, you can have one of these. This is the Versa 45, and it's good for 450 square feet. Now, all you need is a power source, and that can be supplied through a power bank. So you have a power bank, you have one of these Versa 45s, put it on the table in front of you, and you know for sure that the immediate vicinity around you is being sterilized. So that's something for you to consider. And so Jessica, this is the most important moment of it all. After our fans and friends watch this video, if they want to buy this Versa 45, how much, shall we say, in the Malaysian way lah, got offer?
Of course! The normal price for the Versa 45 is 969. So we are offering 15% discount and a free cartridge that is worth 149 ringgit. Hey, after discount, how much?
823.
So good deal or not?
Sounds okay. So 823 to buy this unit, and of course the unit comes with a cartridge, and then your first replacement is taken care of. So for 2 years you don't have to worry about it. Alright guys, we've come to the end of our secret mission for the day, and once again we'd like to thank Jessica for showing us around.
You're welcome, YS.
And before I leave, may I just use your toilet?
Sure. Take this Versa with you.